today we're going to start Amazing Animals. Let's start with words to know. Go to page 42, find number 1 and put your finger on number 1. The blue word says learning. This baby giraffe is learning how to walk. Find number 2, begins. The lion cub begins to get stronger. Go to the next page, put your finger on 3. The blue word is until. Until. These owls can't fly until they are older. Until. Find number 4. The blue word is 8. The 8 little swans go for a swim. 8. 5. Young. The young hippo will be very big soon. 6. Follow. The bear cubs follow their mother. Follow. Look for number 7. Years. An elephant can live for 70 years. Years. And find number 8. Baby. This baby panda is eating plants. Baby. On 44, we're going to learn about conclusions. Sometimes authors do not tell all the details. Readers must use text evidence from the words and pictures and think about what they already know to make a smart guess about what the author does not tell. The smart guess is called a conclusion. Use a chart to write details and conclusions about what you read. Page 45, up at the top in the green, preview the topic, animals. Animals have special body parts that help them do amazing things. Kangaroos have strong legs that help them jump very far. Some monkeys can use their tails to hang from branches. Anteaters have long noses they use to grab insects under the dirt. You will read more interesting facts about animals in Amazing Animals. Turn the page. Our anchor text is Amazing Animals. Find the word genre. Informational text gives facts. As you read, look for information and facts in the words. Photos that show real animals. Meet the author, Gwendolyn Hooks. Gwendolyn Hooks wrote this story because she loves animals. This story is about wild animals. She explains, I don't own any wild animals, but I do have a pet cat. Find the title, Amazing Animals by Gwendolyn Hooks. Essential question, why do some animals have spots or stripes? Turn the page. Let's start at the top red circle. Big eyes, long beak, thick fur, big squeak. Animals get a lot of help as they grow up. Let's find out about 8 amazing animals. Page 49. Polar bear. A polar bear has thick fur. Each hair is like a tube. The hair has no color like glass. The sun makes it look white. How does thick white fur help? They didn't tell us how it helped, but how do you think thick white fur helps? Turn the page, let's find out. Thick fur helps polar bears stay warm. The color of their fur looks the same as snow. This helps them hide. Where does this cute young polar bear like to hide? Look at that picture. I bet you can figure that out. Look for the green circle, elephant. An elephant has a long nose. The nose is called a trunk. It takes many years for an elephant to grow 2 big teeth. These teeth are called tusks. How do tusks and a trunk help? Think about it. Let's turn the page for the answer. Elephants use their tusks to scrape bark off trees. Then they eat the bark. These elephants are learning to use their trunks to get water. Sometimes they will spray water at a friend. 53. Camel. Some camels have one hump. Some have two. All camels have 2 rows of eyelashes. How do humps and thick eyelashes help? Let's turn the page to find out. A camel's hump has fat inside. On long trips, a camel's body uses the fat for food. A camel's eyelashes keep out the desert sand. This baby camel will follow his mother when the herd goes from place to place. Page 55. Duck. A duck is a bird. It has 2 feet, and each foot has 3 toes. A duck has a beak, too. How do feet and a beak help? Ducks use their feet to swim in the water or walk on land. They use their beaks to eat plants and bugs. Look, this duck uses her beak to clean her friend. Find the word giraffe on page 57. A giraffe has spots. A giraffe has a long neck. How do spots and a long neck help? Let's find out. A giraffe's spots help it hide. A giraffe's long neck helps it reach the leaves of trees. This giraffe's long neck helps her reach her baby. She gives him a big kiss. Find the green word porcupine. A porcupine has soft quills when it is born. The quills get sharp in a day or 2. How do quills help? Quills help keep a porcupine safe. If an animal begins to come too close, the porcupine backs into it. The sharp quills hurt. Quills tell this cub to stay away. Find the yellow word, turtle. A turtle has a shell that is very hard. How does a hard shell help? A turtle can hide inside its shell from an animal that may hurt it. The turtle waits until the animal goes away. Then the turtle comes back out. You're safe now, turtle. Find the blue word, dolphin. A dolphin's tail has 2 parts called flukes. A dolphin has 2 flippers. How do flukes and flippers help? A dolphin flips its tail flukes up and down to swim fast. It uses its flippers to turn left or right. These 2 dolphins swim away fast. Who will be first? Have fun, dolphins! Look on page 67 in the purple. An author may use words you do not know. Read the other words in the sentence and look at the picture to help you figure out the word. What does trunk mean in the selection? The words long, nose, and the picture of the elephants are clues to tell you that the trunk is a long part of an elephant's face. Another good clue is the sentence. The nose is called a trunk.